Hi there, this is Colin, and in this short video tutorial I'm going to be going through the HexFit mobile fitness app and how to navigate through the program for the 30-day fitness challenge. So where you should be right now is you should have been sent an email link to register your HexFit mobile app details. You would have registered an account and you should have by now downloaded the app, which will be sitting on your mobile phone. If I scroll on my screen here, top right hand corner, you'll see the HexFit mobile app. I'm going to click on that app, and typically what happens is you land on your dashboard page. If you cast your eyes to the bottom menu layer there, you'll see that there's 5 different icons, starting with chat on the left, activities to the right of that, dashboard, which where we're at the moment, programs, and then the others icon. So on the dashboard page, you should just get a welcome to HexFit, and you should have your progression information. Your screen should be blank at this point in time. I've added a little bit of dummy data just to test this app. So your screen should be totally blank, and that's absolutely normal. So don't worry about that. As you progress through the program, we'll see your progression statistics on there. So what you need to do now is the most important menu icons are the 2 on the left. I'm going to start off with the chat, and the chat function is self-explanatory. What you really need to do there, this is where you can, inside the app, you can actually have dialogue or conversation with Leon. Don't expect an answer immediately, but this is an in-app chat application, and it's quite simple. Once you click on the chat icon, you click the button on the bottom right hand side. You need to enter the name of the person there. You need to type Leon. Okay, Leon's name comes up. Once you've got him selected, you effectively use the chat function like you would in a typical WhatsApp or any of your chat applications that you should be familiar with. So navigate out there. The most important icon or menu item is activities. So you'll see it looks like a calendar, and we have loaded a 30-day fitness challenge, and you will see that we are sitting in April. So let me navigate across to April. We're starting on the 29th. So you'll see the 29th and 30th have little black dots, and on the 28th, there's no information there whatsoever. If you click on the 29th, you're going to get 2 workout options. We've created 2 there. One is a home-based workout, and the second one is a gym-based workout, and those are pretty self-explanatory, and I'll take you through how to actually go through those detailed workouts a little bit in a few seconds. So how this program is going to work, we are loading 1 week of exercises at a time. So it's going to run just over 4 weeks. So you will only be able to see a week in advance. And the reason for that is we want to modify, tweak, and improve this 30-day challenge as we go along. So as you know, this is a beta challenge. We're looking forward to your feedback. We're wanting constructive feedback on how ways we can improve it. So things like, if the workouts were too difficult for you, we're looking for that feedback. If they were too easy for you, what you'd like to see as some variation, anything in that regard will help us. So we're going to take that information on board. So as soon as you have that, post it in the Facebook group, let us know. And we will take that all into consideration when we set up the workout for the following week. We'll take all that feedback in, and hopefully this is going to improve all the way through and make it a great experience. So you will only be able to see a week's worth of activities. So you'll see there's the 29th, there's the 30th, and when you want to go through to May, you have to click on the month icon on the top right there, switch across to May, and you'll see in Wednesday it goes back to home and gym workouts. Thursday is just a cardio workout. Friday workouts, normal workouts again. Saturday light cardio, ending off with Sunday being a rest day. So we're going to be working out for 6 days, 5 days effectively, and the 6th day is very, very light cardio. We're talking about walking, whether that's walking the dog or just going for a walk outdoors. That's how it works. So if I quickly navigate back to the start, which is tomorrow, and because I'm recording this on Sunday, there's the 2 workouts. Now you can select any of those workouts, and you can alternate as well. So the whole concept behind this is to create a home-based workout for people who don't have access to a gym, and gym for people who want to go into the gym. And of course, if you are traveling, it makes logical sense that if you don't have access to the gym, you jump on the home-based workout, and you can do that either inside your hotel room or wherever it is suitable. So now let's dive a little bit into the programs. So if you click on the home activity, what you're going to do is everything is laid out in chronological order. You'll see it's labeled 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E, 1F. So that is 6 workouts on the home workout program. And how it works is you start off with a free squat. Now this program has been designed to take people of all levels into account. So whether you're an absolute novice or beginner, all the way through to someone who obviously has been an experienced person in exercise, health and fitness. So if you're not sure what a squat is or how to do it, you'll see there's a little animation icon there. You simply click it. It is a little recording, and then the animation icon actually shows you the correct form on how to do a squat. And you'll notice just under there will be some written text on how to do it. And then right below that is the data that you want to know. This is the exercise plan for week 1. We're looking for 1 set, 15 reps. And the little arrow icon, the little yellow, the little orange icon means that this is a superset. It means as soon as you finish the squats, you're moving straight into the side lunges, 15 reps, 1 set. You're moving straight into the plank to up. You're moving straight into front lunges, then into the back lunges, push up, hands, elbows, and that completes it. What we've also done with the home workout program is we've said we want people who are, do this according to your level. So if you can only manage 1 superset, that is good enough. But we challenge you to try and do 3. So if you're feeling strong and you're not going to feel too sore, remember this is a slow and steady process. You don't need to rush anything. Do it according to your fitness level. The home workout program, we're saying repeat that superset 3 times. Now it might seem quite easy, but let's get the feedback and see what you think. When we click on the gym workout, I don't need to go into so much detail. We're starting off with a workout. We're starting out with, we're then following that into the pec machine, lateral pull downs, abdominal crunches, shoulder press, bicep curls, triceps, finishing with obviously a bit of core, front elbow plank, and then a cool down session on the rowing machine. Once again, it's all self-explanatory. You follow the chronological order, and you'll see just the last but not least on this warm-up, what we've done is we've broken this warm-up into 3 phases. So when you're on the treadmill, we're looking at running for 10 minutes, okay? The first 2 minutes, so you'll see that we've got 3 phases, first, second, third, duration 2 minutes, 6 minutes. It says 2:02, that just needs to be corrected back to 2 minutes. So the first phase is effectively as you get on the treadmill, if you're running or walking, your first 2 minutes, you've got to have it at low intensity. Your body's cold, you're climbing on the machine, let your body warm up. So we're saying at an intensity 4. Your second phase is 6 minutes at intensity 6, and you end off slowing that down just a bit for the last 2 minutes, just cooling it down slightly, and that concludes your warm-up. So that's how you read it there, is you read the 3 phases, and then you move into the pec machine. The pec machine, you see it's 2 sets, 15 reps with a recovery time of 1 minute. For those of you that don't know, you effectively do 15 reps, okay? You rest for a minute, and then you do that a second time before you move on to the next machine. So that is how you need to, that's how you access all the workouts. The most important thing there is effectively activities and chat. And last but not least is the far right hand side. I'm just going to click on programs here. This should be blank. In this section, there's nothing that's going to be in there. This is for Leon's personal clients that he works with, where he's made customized programs for them. So if you don't have a customized program, it will be blank. If you're on this 30-day fitness challenge for the first time, of course, there should be nothing there. When you click on the other, you've got the options to go into your profile settings, change that. And then the other important item there is clicking on the datas. And datas is really where you want to be tracking things, specifically like your weight and your body measurements. We're going to be adding some more measurement settings there so you can actually do the circumference of your waist, of your chest, of your arms, anything that you want to put in there and that you want to track. And I want to leave you with this to say what gets tracked gets improved. So the whole idea of this, even if you're just going to be tracking your weight and you're going for, your goal is to lose weight on this program, you want to be tracking your weight so that you can see on a weekly basis when you're weighing in what the result was. And we'd love you to share that in the group, letting us know, if you've lost weight on this program, how you found it and anything like that. That concludes the short video tutorial. And just to wrap up, you'll be landing on the dashboard. The dashboard should be blank. You want to click on the activities on the left hand side. That's where you're going to access your workout starting on Monday. You click it, and the chat icon on the left to talk to your coach, and on the far right hand side is where you update your profile information, add a picture, and then also track and measure your performance. We'll see you on the